Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update. And we will figure out, is it still bull trend, what's going on with the stock market world on all time frames, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. We will talk about all time frames. Now let's move to trading view. Let's start from stock market heat map on a daily performance. You see by sectors a lot of red, and technologies sector still kind of gray and green. Gray it's a flat, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish, right? Not beautiful picture. Let's see weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it looks better, all green except technology. Technology kind of mix red and green. The biggest square, it's the biggest market cap, like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. Okay, let's move to weekly. It looks better, more green, but technology red. Now let's move to monthly time frame, more green, technology green, banking system green, retail green, by sectors, right? Everything else is red. Everything else is red. And let's watch quarterly. What's going on quarterly? Quarterly, it's a similar picture, right? Quarterly technology is so bullish, so beautiful. Yeah, technology sector is very beautiful. It's a mixed mode, green and red. That's what we have from crypto, from stock market heat map. Okay, now let's move to charts and let's do technical analysis. Let me start from daily, right? For daily. I already did a review for daily and weekly, and we will start from monthly time frame. Actually, let's start weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Let me briefly mention about my setup. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup and other links about all my trainings. You can quickly learn it from my trainings. And just subscribe for YouTube channel. You will learn it from my daily videos, daily video reviews. My simple trading style, very simple. You see when bars below MA5, okay, let me start it. Okay, white line, it's SMA 200. Yellow line, it's SMA 20. Red line, SMA 10, and green line, SMA 5. When bars above MA5, SMA 5, it is bullish, you see. When bars below SMA 5, it is bearish. Very simple. Above 5 bullish, below my 5 bearish. Very simple. And MACD indicator, also buy and sell signal indicator, MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, white line signal line, Heikanaichi indicator, green bars bullish, red bars bearish, yellow line, it is RSI line. Look at it like Qs on the weekly time frame. Now we are in the weekly time frame. Let me to maximize. Let me show you what's going on in the weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame 1 bar, it's a 1 week. Now let me maximize it a little bit, like this one, right? It looks better now. Yeah, that's the beautiful picture. Okay, you see last bar, it's in indecision mode. It's a neutral bar. It means buyers and sellers met at the same price action, weekly time frame. And last bar touched the gap. It has on the daily time frame, here is the gap, white box. There is the gap around 360 and 357. I still believe it will close this gap, and after that it will be sell-off next week. Last bar still far from 20, is disconnected from 20, definitely wants to connect to 20. Still bullish. MACD green bullish. RSI bullish, Heikanaichi green bullish. RSI very overbought state, very overbought state condition. It definitely wants to have correction. You see, when RSI was in overbought state, what happened after that? Correction, bounce, and correction again. That's what will happen now again. Also, I believe it will happen next week. Yeah, we have some inflation data next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday Fed meetings. It will be a lot of action, a lot of volatilities, and can be a lot of surprise. Let's move. Okay, bullish trend on weekly time frame. Let's see monthly for Qs. For Qs monthly, it's also bullish. Look at it. Buy signal from the script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Bullish trend. Last bar disconnected from 20. For last, since October, right? Straight bullish trend on monthly time frame. MACD green bullish, Heikanaichi RSI bullish. All indicators bullish on monthly time frame. Let's check quarterly. Even quarterly, you see MA5 did bearish crossover. It is bearish, but so far, last bar gave us buy signal on the on moving averages. MACD still red, still bearish. Heikanaichi still red, still bearish. And still kind of weak and bearish trend on all indicators except the script. Script is already buy. But here is the resistance level. Like I mentioned, it's a lot of resistance here. It can be rejected from this level, or it can continue to reach a new high and will be rejected from the top. That's possible too. So far, still bearish on quarterly time frame. Now let's move to SPX. S&P 500 quarterly time frame. Last 3 quarters, green bars, very bullish, but MA5 still bearish crossover, still below 10. It's still bearish trend. Bearish crossover still. MACD is still red, still bearish crossover. Heikanaichi is still red, and RSI below Heikanaichi, still bearish trend on all indicators. Still bearish trend on all indicators, even 3 last quarters very green. Let's move to monthly. Monthly time frame, buy signal. Just turn on buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, bullish signal. Bullish signal, last bar above all moving averages, very bullish. MACD just turned to bullish crossover, bullish. Heikanaichi green bullish, RSI bullish, all indicators bullish. All indicators bullish on monthly time frame. All indicators bullish. Let's move to weekly. Let's see weekly what's going on. Also bullish, right? The last bar, it just tested previous August 2022 level. 2022 level, look at it. It's August 15, 2022. Still bullish. RSI very overbought. It definitely wants to have some correction. But still bullish trend on monthly, quarterly, weekly, and daily. Daily also it is bullish, right? Same like Qs. Let's move Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily bullish on all indicators. No changes. Let's move to weekly. Weekly is also bullish, but if you see, it's a kind of price action, same price action. It's dancing around MA20, same price action, but signal on weekly time frame is kind of mixed because MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It is bearish signal, but last bar above all moving averages, it is bullish, and bars, especially bar, it's a bullish hammer bar. MACD still kind of flat. RSI already did bullish crossover and Fibonacci green bullish. Kind of turned to bullish signal, not full confirmation yet. Let's check monthly for Dow Jones. Monthly for Dow Jones, MA5 above 10 and 20. It is positive, and last bar still above all moving averages positive. MACD ready for bullish crossover, but you see monthly for last 8 months it doesn't move anywhere. It's just dancing around 2020 is a strong support. It doesn't move anywhere. MACD still red, Fibonacci red, flat. It's kind of flat price action for Dow Jones on monthly time frame. Quarterly time frame, it is bearish, right? MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, MACD red, bearish crossover, Fibonacci, all indicators bearish. Even last bar moved above all moving averages, it's positive. On the bars positive, but bars like last two bars, it's kind of neutral bars. Last month is not over yet. Previous bar it was neutral, indecision mode. This bar, it's not close, it still can be red, it still can be green. You still have 20 days to go. On quarterly time frame, it's still bearish, right? Let's move to Russell 2000. Russell 2000 quarterly. Bearish crossover, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. It is very bearish signal. MACD red bearish, Fibonacci red bearish, RSI below Fibonacci bearish trend. Last bar about 20, it is positive signal, but still bearish trend. Still bearish trend on quarterly time frame. Let's see on monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, last green bar, beautiful. Month is not over. This June month, very powerful, just 10 days of the month, but it did move from very oversold and bearish territory to MA20. It touched MA20, it can be rejected from this level. Can be easily rejected because 20 is very strong resistance. You see, it did touch before MA20 multiple times, and each time it was rejected. That's why it can be rejected this time also. MACD still red bearish, Fibonacci still red bearish. Let's check weekly. Weekly it is bullish, buy signal, bullish crossover, MACD, Fibonacci, RSI, all indicators bullish. Even last bar moved about 200. It is positive, bullish trend on weekly time frame. And daily, IWM, Russell 2000 bullish. On RSI, it's in overbought state, bullish territory. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily, bullish trend on all indicators. Apple just recently did touched 4 days ago new recent all-time high, 185. Recent all-time high. Let's move to weekly. Weekly it is very bullish, very overbought on RSI. Let's go back to daily. Daily it's not overbought. Weekly it is very overbought on RSI. Very overbought on RSI. Monthly it is bearish divergence monthly. You see huge bearish divergence, right? Price action is uptrend, MACD downtrend, RSI downtrend. Still bullish trend, buy signal, MA5 with bullish crossover, MACD green bullish, Fibonacci RSI bullish. Monthly time frame bullish trend on all indicators. Quarterly, even quarterly, MA5 ready for bearish crossover, but last bar still positive, still bullish, but it's still disconnected from 20. It definitely wants to have bearish reversal to connect to 20. Similarly, it was here, right? It was very disconnected from 20. What happened? It did reverse. Now it is very overbought. It can reverse, especially MACD ready for bearish crossover. Fibonacci is still red and RSI in the bearish territory. Actually, no, Fibonacci just red. Quarterly, it is still Still kind of mixed mode, right? Still positive, and yeah, only Heikanaichi bearish. Other indicators bullish and ready for bearish reversal. Huge divergences on MACD histogram. Huge divergences on RSI. It means Apple will have some correction, right? Very bullish on all indicators. Apple the most bullish in stock. Let's see Tesla. Let's see Tesla weekly. Tesla is bullish, but not the same like Apple. It is positive bullish, but you see last bar still below MA5, and MA5 bearish crossover, still sell signal. No bullish reversal signal. MACD still red, Heikanaichi red, still bearish trend. Even bars green. Monthly time frame, it's ready for bullish reversal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, last bar moved about 20. Buy signal, bullish signal, MACD still red, no bullish crossover confirmation yet. Heikanaichi and RSI already did bullish crossover. Two indicators already gave us bullish crossover, one indicator MACD still bearish red, but bullish trend on monthly time frame. Let's check weekly. Weekly very bullish, right? Tesla. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20, 200, bullish trend. Last bar disconnected from 20. Bullish trend on MACD, on RSI, on the moving and on the Heikanaichi. All indicators bullish on weekly time frame also, and daily it is bullish. It left some gaps, huge gap up. It left recently, yes, last Friday. Bullish trend and RSI in a very overbought territory, Alibaba Group, let's start daily. Daily it is bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish trend, MACD bullish, RSI, Heikanaichi bullish. But remember, moving averages below 200 still bearish territory, and MACD below zero line in bearish territory also. Heikanaichi at zero line. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it is very bearish. MA5 below 10 and 20, it is bearish trend. Below all moving averages below 200, it is still bearish trend. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish, and RSI below Heikanaichi, still bearish trend on weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, it was positive bullish crossover, but now it's ready for bearish reversal. Last bar below all moving averages, it is bearish trend. MACD still red, Heikanaichi still green. I'm sorry, MACD still green and Heikanaichi still green, but RSI did bearish crossover. It is bearish reversal and bearish trend on monthly time frame. Quarterly, not enough data, it is bearish quarterly. Not enough data. Let's move to NVIDIA. NVIDIA quarterly, look at it. Very powerful, very bullish quarter. New time high was 420. All indicators bullish crossover on all indicators. Last bar definitely very disconnected from 20. And it wants to connect back to 20. When it was disconnected over here, it did correction and connected to 20. Now it is disconnected again by signal. It definitely wants to have correction. Huge disconnection on quarterly time frame. Similar monthly, very bullish, very powerful. This white box, it's a huge gap, $60 gap, $20 gaps on a daily time frame. MACD green bullish, Heikanaichi RSI bullish. Look at it. Let me show you. Price action is uptrend. It's a bullish, right? On MACD, it is bearish divergence, bearish trend. Not bearish trend, bearish reverse, bearish divergence. Trend still bullish. Same on the RSI, bearish divergence. It means an RSI very overbought. It means trend is bullish, but it's ready for bearish reversal anytime soon. Weekly time frame, also bullish trend with bearish divergence. RSI in very overbought state. And daily time frame. Daily time frame, it's already in the bearish reversal signal. You see this gap bar, it's a 20% gap, and it's a $60 gap on daily time frame. Ready for bearish reversal. And the USA dollar daily time frame, it is bearish. Even last bar it's a green because it touched previous day, it did touch 220 MA20 yellow line. I'm sorry, yellow line. Yeah, yellow line. It can bounce from 20 because 20 very strong support. We'll see. MACD red bearish, Fibonacci red bearish, RSI bearish. All indicators kind of bearish trend. So far, last bar below all moving averages, it is bearish trend. Let's check weekly. USA dollar weekly, it is bullish. You see buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and last bar above all moving averages. It is bullish. MACD green bullish, RSI Fibonacci bullish on weekly time frame. Monthly it is still bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and bounce. You see the last 5 months it did dance around MA20 yellow line. Yellow line was very strong support and it did bounce from it. MACD still red bearish crossover, Fibonacci red bearish crossover. Still bearish trend. Let's check quarterly. Quarterly it is bullish. You see a buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20 and 200. Bullish trend, even bars, last bar below MA5. MACD still bullish, Fibonacci RSI bearish. Mixed mode and quarterly still bullish. Quarterly it is still bullish. That's all. Let's do summary. Let's do summary. Like I already mentioned, like Qs, the strongest index, it's a bullish on all time frame except quarterly. On monthly time, because we are talking about monthly, it is bullish on monthly time frame for Qs. S&P 500 also bullish on monthly time frame. Month is not over. This month, it's a green bar, but its month is not over. It can change everything, but still bullish trend. Bullish trend for SPY, bullish trend for Dow Jones. Also, you see last bar moved above all moving averages. It is positive. MACD is still red, Fibonacci is still red, but still positive trend. But it dancing at the same level for last 8 months. IWM was very, very negative, and now it's trying to get about 20. But I think 20 can be very strong support. In this case, it's resistant because it's below. Very strong resistance, it can be rejected from 20. MACD is still red and Fibonacci is still red. IWM, the weakest index, except, the IWM weakest, Dow Jones flat, and S&P more stronger, and Qs the strongest index. Same like with equity, Apple the strongest index on monthly time frame. But it has bearish divergence. You see price action did new high. MACD has bearish divergence. It means Apple wants to have some correction, bearish correction. You see price bearish divergence. It means it wants to have correction. That's all from monthly review. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos, and monthly updates, weekly updates. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.